Service continue. और ये अच्छी स्ट्रॉल यहाँ पर ये लाकी फ्रंट होने में है बेलों को इसके साथ शुरुआत अच्छी प्लेसिंग स्ट्रॉल हुआ हाई और अच्छी प्लेसिंग स्ट्रॉल यहाँ पर अमित द्वारा और अच्छी पॉइंट मिलेगी इसके बाद स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 119 का 7-5
अच्छा होगा पीछे पीछे अच्छा जगह नहीं
Actually, in Sharpiev, wherever we are deployed for shy of duty, when law and order duty, every year we have got tournament of various events, like tennis tournament and football tournament, volleyball tournament, and etc. Where this the units deployed in op sectors who are deployed for law and order and shy of duty are asked to concentrate in one battalion to organize this tournament. So this year, every year, 20 battalion is given the task of organizing this badminton tournament, where 13 battalions of Ops sector Jorhat are participating. So this was organized from 10 and is ended today. So as per the motto of this tournament, those Jawans were operating in the Ops area where they are performing op duty in the jungle for days together. As a recuperation, they are being called here in the meantime to organize this tournament in a very befitting manner. This tournament in a battalion since we are scattered deployment where even the Jawans are not able to mingle one another. So when this kind of sports tournament are organized, we know each other. Officers SOB आया हुआ है. So when we interact, the feeling of integrity and oneness in the force is very much increased. So we know many more things about the welfare measures of the organization.